Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Netspend card not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if your Netspend card is not working, then in this case, you might need to contact support. Because having problems with your card can be caused by multiple things, and you need support or you need the system support to actually figure it out and probably fix these issues. Now, first things first is you need to go to the official website of Netspend. So let's go to netspend.com, and from here we need to access the help and support section. So the top section, go and click on help and support, and this should redirect you to the help section for their webpage. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to scroll down a bit here until you see the contact us page. Now in this case, go and click on the contact us button here, and from here you have three options to contact their support. So first is via their email here, their call us functionality, which in this case you need to dial the following phone numbers, and you also need to take note the availability of their support here if you're going to use the call us option. Now you could also mail them in this specific location here, and in this case you could go ahead and choose whatever here. Now if you want to use the email as option, go ahead and click on the login to the online account center here for you to start logging in into your account, and from then on just follow the steps for you to contact them, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.